Hello viewers, welcome to our channel English Tube. In this video, we will learn and write essay on a rainy day. For more such videos, consider subscribing to our channel and hit that bell icon so that you never miss an update from our channel. On a rainy day, everything feels fresh and cool. The sky is covered with dark clouds. Raindrops fall gently from the sky, making everything wet. The air smells clean and earthy. Rain patters on rooftops and windows, creating a gentle rhythm. People hurry to find shelter, opening umbrellas or pulling on raincoats. The streets become shiny and wet, reflecting the world around them like mirrors. Sometimes it rains softly like a gentle drizzle, and other times it pours down heavily, making big puddles on the ground. People usually stay indoors on rainy days to stay dry and cozy. Some like to watch the rain from their windows, listening to the soothing sound it makes. Others enjoy reading books or playing games with family and friends indoors. Plants and trees also love rainy days because it helps them grow healthy and green. Animals like frogs and worms come out to enjoy the damp weather too. Rainy days can be fun and beautiful in their own special way. They give us a chance to slow down, relax, and appreciate the wonders of nature.